Having this kind of hairline today in this age is really embarrassing. Are you suffering from this, or you're having excessive shedding, excessive breakage, your hair is just stuck at one length and honestly refusing to grow? There is a solution for you. Onions and garlic are the perfect kitchen ingredients that you can use to solve all your hair problems. If you're having issues with your scalp, be it dandruff, flaky scalp psoriasis, itchy scalp, dormant follicles that isn't allowing your hair grow out the way it is supposed to grow, this is the remedy for you. We will be making use of onions and garlic. Yes, so first of all, I will be peeling off my onions. Yes, my onions is very big. This particular onions is very big, so I will just cut it into two. Yes, and I will be making use of this half. I always advise people to make this in a little quantity. You wouldn't want to keep this overnight or for 2 days or even 1 week. No, it will start growing bacteria and you wouldn't want that on your hair. So I always advise you to make a little batch that you will be making use of for that particular day, and that is totally okay. So I'll go ahead to wash off this part of my onions. Yes, wash it off clean. You wouldn't want any form of impurities, please. So we'll go ahead to peel off our garlic, and I will be making use of 4 to 5 pieces of garlic. And please note that this particular remedy we are making has an offensive smell. Yes, a lot of people cannot stand the smell. That is why they do not even think of applying it to their hair or their scalp. But trust me, this is one great remedy that works magic when it comes to treating stuffs like alopecia and any form of hair loss. And honestly, the truth is, if you use this wrongly, you may end up not seeing any result at all, and it may end up damaging your hair. This is one reason why you should watch this video till the end, so you do not miss any step. There is a reason why this remedy is going viral online, and this is because it works. Yes, for the people that have used it and have used it correctly, know that this works, and that is why they are still consistent with it. So right now, guys, I'll go ahead to slice up my onions into smaller pieces. Yes, we will not be boiling this, but rather we will be blending this. Yes, guys, whenever I boil this, I am always spraying it on my hair and leaving it as a leave-in spray. But for this, we will be blending, and the blended version of this is honestly stronger than the boiling method. That is why I can easily leave the boiling method spray, onion and garlic spray on my hair, but this I cannot leave it just like that on my hair because the smell is really strong. So right now I will be putting this into my blender, and I'll add in 1 cup of water. That is totally okay, and then we'll move ahead to blending. Please make sure to blend this properly. And then, guys, the blended version, like I said, is actually much more potent. Yes, this is more concentrated, it is stronger. Yes. So guys, after blending, this is what it looks like after blending. Yes, and this is okay. You don't need to blend it more than this. You just move ahead to sieving. Yes, you have to sieve because you wouldn't want all the particles of this garlic and onions on your hair. You wouldn't want that at all because it will be difficult to wash out. So this is why we sieve it out. So sorry, my sieve is really tiny. If you have a bigger sieve, please use a big sieve. Oh, don't be like me using a tiny sieve. Don't worry, it didn't pour out. And guys, as you can see, this is the color of our onion and garlic juice. This is exactly what it should look like. Please don't let it give you maybe a black color or another color. This is what it should look like. Try as much as possible to get out all the juice that you can get out from this. You wouldn't want to waste any. I am going to share this with somebody. That is why it is up to this amount. So I'll just go ahead to transfer into a spray bottle. Yes, this is my spray bottle. And then guys, I will show you how to use this the right way. Like I said, if you use it wrongly, sorry for you. You will just be wasting your time because you're not going to see that result. You're not going to see the result that you want. So let's get right into how to use. So guys, as you can see, I am focusing on my scalp. My hair grows from my scalp. Yes, and whenever my scalp begins to itch, or I notice any form of reaction on my scalp, or my scalp begins to act up, I will make this and then I will apply to my scalp. So like I said earlier, if you're having any form of scalp issues, this will treat it. Guys, onion juice helps hair growth primarily by providing extra sulfur to support strong, thicker hair, improving blood circulation to the follicles, and acting as an antibacterial agent to support a healthy scalp. It is rich in nutrients and antioxidants. It can prevent hair loss. It will prevent hair loss and also reduce breakage and stimulate dormant follicles. As you can see, I just read this out and this is studies proved. Yes, this is what studies have proven to us, that this onion juice work. So now I will be reading out to you the benefits of garlic, so you see that you're not just putting on rubbish on your hair or your scalp. So guys, garlic promotes hair growth by strengthening the follicles, boosting blood circulation to the scalp, and fighting infections with its antimicrobial properties. It is rich in sulfur, selenium, and vitamin C. It helps reduce breakage, combat dandruff, and may assist to treating patchy hair loss. Will assist to treating patchy hair loss, that is alopecia and every other kind of hair loss. So guys, after applying this to your hair, you will cover this for about 10 to 20 minutes. Yes, then you go ahead to wash it out with a good shampoo that has good scent. If not, sorry for you. Please, you have to wash it up properly so that the smell will leave your scalp and your hair, so that your hair and your scalp will not go and be smelling, because this has like an offensive smell, like I told you earlier. And guys, after this, you have to follow up to moisturize your hair. Really important. You have to use a leave-in conditioner and also a hair butter and a hair oil. You know how you moisturize your hair. If you don't know how to moisturize your hair, please find out. It is really important in this process. If not, you will not see the benefit and your hair will break off. Yes, so please, if you have questions, ask in the comment section. I will respond to every question that you have. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.